In this video, I'll show you how to export images in Photopea step by step. Exporting lets you save your finished design in the right format for websites, social media, printing, or sharing with others. First, open your completed project in Photopea. Before exporting, make sure you've finished all your edits and check that everything looks exactly the way you want. Next, click *** file in the top left corner and select Export as ***. A menu will appear with several file formats, including PNG, JPG, WebP, SVG, PDF, GIF, and more. Choose the format that best fits your project. Select **PNG* if you need a transparent background or high-quality graphics. Choose JPG* for photos and smaller file sizes. Use **WebP* for modern websites with better compression, or pick another format if your project requires it. After selecting a format, you'll see Export Settings. You can adjust the image quality, width, height, file size, and other options depending on the format you've chosen. Preview the image to make sure everything looks correct. When you're happy with the settings, click **Save ***. Your browser will ask where to save the file. Choose a folder on your computer, give the file a name if needed, and click Save * again. Your image is now exported and ready to upload to YouTube, social media, your website, or print, depending on your needs. That's how easy it is to export images in Photopea. If this tutorial helped you, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Photopea tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.